delicious almond cookie recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 4 ounces of almond paste, grated or chopped into cubes, 4 ounces of white granulated sugar, 2 large egg whites, 5 ounces of all-purpose flour, you can also use almond flour, sliced or shaved almonds, and powdered sugar for dusting. Now we're gonna go ahead and whip our egg whites, and we want to whip them until stiff peaks. So we're gonna place them into our mixer, and then we're gonna start whipping. You want to make sure that your egg whites reach stiff peaks, and you can place this aside. Next, we're going to be using a paddle attachment to cream our almond paste and our sugar. Next, we're going to fold our egg whites into our mix. Lastly, we're going to gradually add our flour and fold this into our batter as well. Now that our cookie dough is ready, we're gonna place some saran wrap over our bowl, and we're gonna put this into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our cookie dough is sitting in the fridge for a few minutes, so now it's a little more solid and easier to work with. Now we're gonna be using an ice cream scoop to scoop our cookies. So you wanna just go ahead and scoop it out, and then we're just gonna place it in our almonds. And you want to go ahead and just roll it around in your almonds. And now we're just going to transfer it right over to a cookie sheet.